If you're driving at night or in the day, you need your coffee. Look at this. Fits perfect in a cup holder. I like it. Perfect fit for any cup holder that you have. All right, just got my cup. I like the handle of it. The cup is simple to pop it out, just popped out. Right now we do have coffee. Tilt proof, it's not tilt proof. So if you tilt it just a little bit, you'll see the coffee coming out there. It does have a ventilation hole here, so the air won't be trapped in there. I like the design of it, the shape of it. I did drop it. It did do a little tiny dent right here in the corner, in the bottom corner. But other than that, it fits perfect in your car, ready to go on the road. You're going to work, you're late, just add your tea, your coffee, your drinks, your milk, your water, and take it to go. So very beautiful design. All right, one of the most important things is when you're washing these, they get mold on the actual silicone area. But this one is part of the actual base, so you don't have to take it off. It's sealed completely where it will not penetrate and will not grow any mold on the outside, if you guys can see. So this is not removable. It's part of the actual cup. You don't have to remove it. All you got to do is scrub this down and that's it. You don't have to worry about, you know, water, moisture going in between the actual lines or anywhere. So this is part of the cup. I like it. Let's test it out. What's the craze between these cups? So we're going to test it out, see how durable and good they are. Now, if you guys can see, I actually added water. There's no water here. So we're going to cover it up and say you spill your cup, all right? So spill the cup. Look at that. It's going to drain. There is no stoppage on it. So they're as good as they are. Your choice of buying them. So that's why I'm doing this video for you guys to make your own decisions on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.